Now we will see characteristics of a sound wave. What are the characteristics like amplitude, wavelength, all those things we are going to discuss out here. Please look at the graph very nicely, which I am going to show you right now. A sound wave in graphic is shown in the figure, which represent how density and pressure change when the sound wave moves in a medium. The density as well as the pressure of the medium at a given time varies with distance above and below the average value of density and pressure. Compression are the region where, if you see, the particles are very much crowded together, and it is on the screen represented by an upper portion of the curve. The peak represents the region of maximum compression, where the compression is maximum at that particular point. And if you see the rarefaction, this is the region of low pressure where the particles are spread apart, and it can be represented by a mountain, or it's like a valley, that is the lower portion of the curve. The peak, a peak is called the crest, that is for compression, and there is a mountain or the valley which is called as trough of the wave. Okay, that is by the rarefaction. And the distance between the two consecutive compression or two consecutive rarefaction is called as wavelength. It is shown by a lambda, that is a Greek letter. The SI unit of wavelength is meter only. Now time period, the time taken by two consecutive compression or rarefaction to cross a fixed point is called the time period of the wave, that is one complete oscillation. Amplitude, the magnitude of the maximum disturbances, as you have seen on the graph already, maximum disturbances was for both rarefaction and compression in the medium on either side of the mean value is called the amplitude of the wave. It is denoted by A. Next is frequency. Frequency is the reciprocal of time, okay, given as S inverse. Unit will be S inverse, second inverse, or we can call this one as hertz. Frequency is actually number of repetitions this wave is taking place in one period. Number of repetitions in a particular time is known as its frequency. It is given by reciprocal of time.